The entire nation may be powered by solar energy or a mix of geothermal, hydro, wind, and solar energy. I truly want the world to see that you are capable of building a system that is 100 megawatts in size. It's actually pretty big. Compared to the second largest battery in the world, this is 3 times bigger. That is simply an enormous leap ahead. Power is becoming practically a luxury item due to its high cost. Whoa, what? Which patterns of change are there? Significant transformational changes take place. We are in balance. Let's take the example of a sector. Our electrical system has undergone innovation during the course of its roughly 100-year existence. Although new methods for producing power have emerged, the grid has mostly remained unchanged over the past century. That is an equilibrium, then. However, at the same time, technologies are becoming more affordable and capable as a specific value chain reaches equilibrium. At varying speeds, the cost and capabilities of every technology, almost all of them, are improving. There is a rate at which solar PV becomes better. There is a rate at which lithium batteries get better. There is a rate at which computing gets better. Fantastic! We're delving into Seba's intriguing predictions in today's video. He is renowned for his astonishing accuracy in predicting how society and technology will develop over the next 10 to 20 years. These observations offer a crucial window into the direction the world is taking, particularly in the areas of technology and transportation, even though the mainstream media may not always emphasize them. Seba is well known for discussing how disruptive technologies have the power to drastically alter whole sectors in a matter of days. For instance, in just 13 years, the vehicle supplanted horse-drawn carriages. He is now cautioning us that the introduction of humanoid farm robots will cause a similar disruption in the future. The possibility of major job displacement due to these robots highlights the urgent need for investments in new technology and skills. However, it's not only about the difficulties, there are also opportunities, especially in the field of sustainability. Please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to Tesla Stock News before we get into further depth. Let's begin this video now that we have completed that. According to Seba, the shift to sustainable practices is a major force behind economic transformation. Growing accessibility and affordability of renewable energy sources are influencing not only the energy industry, but also manufacturing and urban development. Seba claims that automation and artificial intelligence are also transformative forces. These technologies have the potential to completely change the way industries function, increasing their efficiency and giving rise to whole new business models. To guarantee that these technologies are safely incorporated into our society, new regulations will be necessary, and this transition is not without its ethical conundrums. This leads us to the crucial subject of workforce development and education. Our educational systems urgently need to be redesigned as the labor market changes. A workforce with excellent critical thinking abilities and technological proficiency will be in high demand in the future. Seba proposes a significant change in education, focusing on curricula that better meet the demands of the workforce of the future. Additionally, Tony remarks on the emergence of humanoid robots and how they affect human jobs. These robots' entry into a variety of industries represents a fundamental shift that has the potential to completely alter the way our economy is organized. He explains that humanoid robots are nothing short of revolutionary in terms of both cost and value. Envision implementing humanoid robots that provide significant cost savings and enhanced efficiency. Not just any robots, though. These are highly developed devices that can complete tasks more quickly and effectively than people while costing a fraction of the price. Leading innovator Tesla has even revealed intentions to offer humanoid robots for sale at a price point similar to that of a car. This trend points to a path towards sharply declining labor costs, which could have a significant impact on the world economy. The forecasts get even more startling as we move farther into the future. These robots may cost less than $1 per hour to operate by 2035, and by the 2040s, they should be able to carry out intricate jobs that currently call for highly experienced human labor. This is about questioning the concept of work as we know it, not merely about substituting routine or repetitive jobs. For us, what does this mean? It suggests that we should reconsider how we approach economy. Tony also predicts some revolutionary shifts in the way we manufacture goods and deal with poverty in the global economy. Tony Seba claims that we are about to witness a huge growth in world production, which is expected to rise by 20 to 40% every year. Thanks to technological developments like automation and robots, the marginal cost of labor is declining, which is a major factor in this amazing increase. Tony goes one step further, arguing that within the next 10 years, these advancements might remove poverty entirely and dramatically raise living standards worldwide. This is not merely an improvement, rather, it is a radical shift that has the potential to alter our global perspective on economic accessibility and wealth distribution. The changing labor market, particularly the shift from valuing jobs to valuing tasks, is another significant change Tony talks about. Employment in a conventional economy is usually expressed in terms of hourly pay or salary, but the emphasis is changing from the amount of time spent on particular jobs to the value they produce. As we increase the number of non-sentient workers in our workforce, such as humanoid robots, this shift is more pertinent. Unlike humans, these robots carry out tasks rather than having occupations in the traditional sense. There will probably be major labor disruptions as a result of this fundamental shift in the concept of employment, which could have global repercussions. Humanoid robots, according to Tesla, mark a paradigm shift in labor productivity combined with improvements in what Seba refers to as human manufacturing. These robots are a transformational force that can enable infinite growth in the labor force. They are more than just tools. This change has the potential to drastically alter the global competitive environment, since nations and businesses that adopt humanoid robotics first will probably have a significant edge. Traditionally a car maker, Tesla is broadening its scope. Tony draws attention to the economic contrast between the comparatively low cost and great efficiency of integrating humanoid robots into the labor market and the traditional costs of raising a child and preparing them for the employment. This change reflects a larger trend in which humanoid robots are predicted to quickly replace human-performed physical labor, reflecting the disruptive effects observed in other industries. However, the voyage of Tesla doesn't end there. It's much more fascinating because every day is a new discovery with ups and downs. For this reason, Tesla continues to attract more and more investors. However, are you aware of anyone else who is as optimistic about Tesla? That would be Seeking Alpha, today's sponsor. It's not enough to merely watch Tesla's remarkable rise from the sidelines. Seeking Alpha is your one-stop resource for the most recent information on Tesla, including its stock price targets, innovations, and everything related to Elon Musk, for stock market enthusiasts and those with an eye for finding the next big thing. Seeking Alpha is the best online source for pro-Tesla news, so avoid the lamestream media's anti-Tesla rhetoric. Our channel may receive a commission if a customer makes a purchase after clicking on the affiliate links in the description. I appreciate your help. Experts predict that within the next 20 years, more than 1 billion humanoid robots may be deployed, with significant financial and societal ramifications. This deployment size offers enormous financial returns and significant societal benefits, making it more than merely a technological achievement. However, significant expenditures in R&D, production facilities, and related supply chains will be necessary to realize this ambition. The difficulty is not just in developing the robots, but also in establishing an ecosystem that can accommodate such a revolutionary technology. A vital first step in the development and wider use of humanoid robots is the testing and experimentation of these machines in controlled settings. These areas enable the robot's ability to function in a variety of environments, including industrial and urban areas. These robots will have an especially big impact on industries including food, transportation, and energy. These industries can anticipate increased productivity and quality enhancements by incorporating humanoid robots, as these machines are capable of tasks that humans cannot, such as precision and consistency. Going forward, mass deployment and continuous improvement of humanoid robots will reveal their true worth. By ensuring that the robots adapt to shifting industrial demands and technological breakthroughs, This strategy keeps companies at the forefront of innovation. Our current infrastructure, which is built on human dimensions and capability limited to R and D, they include building the infrastructure,